So the wires originally on my seat cane, and different. The whites and the grays are reverse. Here's the Dasaita, the new one, an Android 9, and I can see the whites being next to the ground wire, and the grays being right next to the blue wire, which is the amp-on wire. So maybe they're reverse. Well, we're gonna test it and see what happens. All right, here we are. This is the 22 pin plug that goes to the back of the Dasaita radio. And since they sent it to me with the front speakers reverse, so the left was on the right and the right was on the left. And now with this little tiny screwdriver, push inside the hole from the front. If you can see inside, you actually have to stick the screwdriver, tiny screwdriver in there and push up. At first I thought it would be down, but it's actually up. You see there's a little tab there that you have to pull up. It takes a little patience, but anyway, it worked out. And now we're gonna put those in the right spot. So there you are. So black, then we have the gray and black, gray, white and black, and the last one is solid white. So now we have the left channel and the right channel in the right spot. Let's test it. All right, let's test it. Let's get some music going. Now it's centered. Let's put on the driver's side. Yep. Driver's side is. And it certainly works. And now it's passenger side. All right, we got it working. That's great.